guys, today I'm going to make some sausage and beans. So let's get toasting. I'm going to keep this real simple. I have some of this turkey sausage here, and this is already cooked, but I think I'm going to just cut it into pieces and brown it first. And then I'm going to add this can of pork and beans and a little bit of barbecue sauce to it. I'm not sure how well the sausage will brown up in the toaster oven, but we'll see. So I turned it to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been about 15 minutes, so let's check on this. Hey, that looks pretty good. Let's add the beans. This looks and smells really good. Now I'm going to add the beans and pour in a little bit of this barbecue sauce as well. Now I'll put this back into the oven for a few minutes until the beans warm up. The beans have been in there for about 15 or 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Wow, that looks pretty good. They're bubbling away. Let's get them out of there. This looks pretty good and still steaming hot, but let me grab a fork and we'll try it out here. You know, that's really good. It's the barbecue sauce that makes it good. That really gives it a lot of flavor. So, you know, just dump some of your favorite barbecue sauce in there, but that turned out great. Now, the question is, everybody keeps asking is, how is my wife? Well, my wife is still not doing very good. She's been in the hospital for over 2 weeks now. Started out as the flu, then it went to pneumonia, now it's ARDS. Acute respiratory distress syndrome. It means her lungs are inflamed and full of fluid, so she can't breathe good. So they had to put her to sleep 2 days ago and put a ventilator in, and hopefully that will help clear her lungs out. Now, yesterday the doctor said that all her numbers seem to be improving and her lungs are starting to sound better, but she won't be happy until they actually wake her up and, you know, see how she is. So they said that will probably be several more days. So right now it's real iffy. She's really sick and it still could go either way. So I appreciate everyone's thoughts and prayers, and I will keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.